Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. So I'm back with an update on this Sunster diesel heater. I produced a few videos about that. We went through a kind of a walkthrough of all its features and I did a disassembly, but I was having a problem. It was behaving really erratic and buggy. They had sent me out their new Pro Wi-Fi. They call this the controller switch, and it's able to remotely control your heater via a cell phone app. But once I installed this, I was having problems where it was automatically just changing modes all by itself, and I really couldn't figure it out. But one of the commenters on one of the videos, a fellow said that he was having a similar issue where I think it was his fireplace fan. Its control would cause that problem. So he figured it may be related to this little device here, which is kind of its key fob remote. Now, this works through the Wi-Fi, this works through Bluetooth, but this uses a frequency, I think he said it was 433 megahertz, which is used by a lot of different devices like tire pressure monitors and things. So he found someone had commented on Facebook about it, and what they figured was because I hadn't paired this, when I got this new switch, you're supposed to pair the remote, this remote with the new switch, and when this isn't paired with this, it's constantly looking for a signal, and it was picking up all kinds of stray wireless signals that are on the same frequency, which is sort of what I surmised could have been the problem. Anyway, once I paired this, everything worked fine, so the whole problem went away. So that's the problem I was having, and probably was a combination of events, getting a new switch and not knowing you had to pair this to it. And the pairing on this also, I kind of had to look it up, and you hold these two buttons like this. What I had to do is hold like that, and it would bring up and go into an engineering mode, and then I could go through that until I went to engineering number 7. It says remote. Then it said to hold down the ventilation button, which is really the fan button, until up popped P1 for pairing, and then press any button on this remote and then it would pair, and then everything worked fine. This remote worked, this little hockey puck looking device worked, and my phone worked. Yeah, so there we go. I've set it to heat at level 2. This shows heating at level 2. This shows heating at level 2. And then I can change the level on the remote. It goes to level 3 on there right away. And then these will both update to level 3 as the Bluetooth updates. So, all working properly. I'm quite happy with that because it's kind of a cool unit that it does all those features. If you missed my previous video on that, I'll link back to it. Until next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.